Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the Pentagram Constructors. So we're doing the link mechanism question. It says figure 1 is a line diagram of a slotted link and crank of a shaping machine mechanism. The link AC is attached to a fixed point A about which it is free to move about the fixed point on the disc. The disc rotates about center O. Attached to C and free to move easily about the point C and D is the link CD, and D is also free to slide along DE. When the disc rotates in the direction of the arrow, plot the locus of C, the locus of P on the link CD, and clearly show the full travel of B on AC. Yes, so you begin by drawing the center of the circle. Like that. And also you make the center as well on the other side. All these lines has to be in construction lines. Yes. Okay, so my circle, the diameter is 54, so the radius is 27. So I get my straight edge rule and measure 27 there. So that's my 27. Then I stand at this center and make a circle. Draw a circle like that. So having drawn a circle without changing the radius, I can do the divisions of the circle into 12 equal parts in advance. Stand there, come on the other side, strike an arc, come on the other side, strike an arc, go on the last point, strike an arc. So my circle is divided into 12 equal parts. Yes, so 12 equal parts. So the whole point is just to draw the object as it is. So I'm going to measure 60 millimeters from the center going downwards. So 60 millimeters or 60 centimeters. Get it using my rule. So 60 there, stand per center and strike an arc there. So having done that, I'll also measure 114 in my straight edge rule. So 114 is there. So from the last point there going upwards, I measure 114 like that. Okay, so your first point is at B, so you name this as B. That's your first point, and that's where the line is passing through. So that's where line AC is passing through. Line AC is passing through B. Do it like that. So line AC, then we measure line AC to be 102. So measure my 102 there, and from this point going towards that line, I'll strike a line like that. So this is my A, and that's my C. That's my C. Then from this drawn line, the 114 line, I'll use my set squares to draw the line parallel to the center. Yeah, so drawing this line, you get this center as your line of reference, then you slide it to the mark point, then you draw a straight line like that. So having done that, then we are going to get CD, which is 27 millimeters. CD is 27 millimeters, so CD 27 millimeters, we get it per compass. 27 millimeters from C. So where your arc touches this line, or where your compass touches this line, that's your D, this point there. So this is going to be our D, and you can proudly draw this line like that. Then having done that, we're going to measure 15 millimeters from D. 15 millimeters from D. So 15 millimeters from D is there. Mark that. So this is your P. So we've drawn the diagram as it is. So now what is left is just to mark the points all around. So as you can see, we've got points around the circle from B to B12. So now from A, we draw a line passing through B2. From A, we draw a line passing through B2. Same thing we did to B. So we're going to draw a straight line passing through B2, and from there we're going to measure this line as our 102. So 102 from my straight edge rule, 102 from A straight to this same line is there. Then you mark this as your C2. So having done that, then you're going to measure 27 millimeters. 27 millimeters. So my 27 is there. So standing at C, where your compass meets with the prolonged line, it is supposed to be line ED. Where it meets that, then this point is going to be your D, and you can proudly say like that. Then having done that, you measure 15 millimeters. 15 millimeters. So from D going downwards like that, mark 15. So this point now becomes your P2, and this is D2. So you do the same to B3. Draw a line passing through B3. B3 like that. Then from the same line you measure 102. 102. You measure 102, then you mark there. Once you mark there, becomes your C3, and you get your 27. You get your 27. From C3 you mark there, so this becomes your D3. That becomes your D3. And it's from the D3 that we are going to get P3. It's from the D3 that we're going to get P3 like that. So this point now becomes your P3. So you do all these procedures up to 12. Okay, so once you're done with the plotting of all the points, so now you just have to draw the required locus. Like you just have to plot the points. So they told us to plot the locus of P and the locus of C. So we are joining all the P points, and you're also going to join all the P points. So to do that, then you just do it freehand. So freehand sketching for P, starting with P. So you join P, all the P's. That you join the P's, then let's join the C's. So the C's are joined together. So having done that, then we just outline the origin of the locus. So we just outline from A to C, like the first point you outline it, then from C to D you also outline it there. So once you do that, then you're done with the work. Okay, thanks guys for watching. See you next time.